system and empower countless lives. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has been re-elected as the National President of the National People's Party or the NPP for the 2025 to 28 tenure. This unopposed re-election took place at the Constitutional Club of India in New Delhi. Sangma expressed his gratitude to the party members for reaffirming their trust in his leadership. He also announced that members of the National Committee for 2025 to 28 would be announced shortly. Other key positions were also filled, with Pakna Bage being elected as the General Secretary Organization and Dr. Mehtab Agedok Sangma re-elected as the National Treasurer. Additionally, James K. Sangma has been recommended for the position of National Working President.
I very humbly accept this responsibility that has been given to me to continue to work and to serve as the President of the National People's Party. I also would like to congratulate the newly elected General Secretary Organization, Mr. Bage, who again has been somebody who has worked very closely with us for many years. Mr. Bage is a former cabinet minister for the government of Arunachal and MLA, and of course he was the working president of the state unit of Arunachal Pradesh for a very long time. And while our president of course was there, but he was also the candidate, and it was Mr. Bage who had to roam and work as the working president and conduct the campaign for all the other candidates throughout Arunachal Pradesh. So,
geologists from the Geological Survey of India